In this lesson, you will program for Node.js event loop just to get a very good understanding of how Node.js works behind the scene. Okay, so let me close this operation here and let me go to my project and let me comment all this out for the moment. Okay, for this example, I would like to bring in one of the core Node.js module, that is fs file system. Okay, so let me put it in a variable fs and require fs file system. Okay, so this is the one of the Node.js core module. Now what I would like to do is I would like to create a file here. So I can do it manually or I can do it from here. Touch, let's call it target.txt, a text file. Okay, so the file is here. Now what I would like to do is I would like to watch for these files. Okay, so watch for any changes. So if there are any changes, I will use a callback function to do something with that change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this file system variable and use this watch method that we can use with this module. Okay, so this module has a lot of methods available. One of them is watch. Okay, so this watch method takes two arguments. The first one is the file name and the second one is a callback function. Okay, so let me also create a file. Okay, so let's call it const file name equals to, let me manually give the file name for the moment. Okay, target.txt, which is here. Okay, so we have the file system, we have the file name, and this file system's watch method will take two arguments. First one is the file name and second one is the callback function. Okay, so this callback function, for the moment, let's just write console log. Okay, console log file changed. Okay, this is a dead simple function, but it will give us the insight of Node.js. Okay, so save this file and go to the terminal here and run this process one more time. Let's use node app.js. Okay, so it's running. Now let me make it a bit smaller so that we can see the output here. Okay, so whenever this file changes, as soon as there is a change, it will use this callback function to output this message. Okay, so let me go to this target.txt file and let me hit Command S to save this file. And once I do, you see the file changed is output. Okay, you do it again, you do it again. It works non-stop. It console log the message when it changes, then again waits for the next change. It doesn't stop. It is always waiting. Now if you make a change, then it will console log the message, then again it waits for change. Again, if you make a change, it will console log and then again it waits for change. So it never stops, it never sleeps. Okay, so that is one of the things you need to understand about Node.js. Now in the next lesson, we will go one step further. Okay, so when it is watching for the changes or executing these callback functions, some callbacks takes longer to respond than other ones. So let's see how that works with a very simple example that will help us understand how Node.js single-threaded non-blocking input-output model works.